We're trying to cool down the epoxy because you don't want it getting too hot and it's already midday. You start mixing at 70 and it's already 80. In about a half hour, it's going to start kicking up to like 90, and you don't want to put it in when it's 90. So say we had all of this ready to tape and it's already at 90, it's already done. It's already going to get to 100 before you put it in the line. It's going to cure before you even air it up. So let's bring the A over here, which is the white. Okay, 15.3. I have to shake this one up. Go ahead and pull that other one out and shake it up really good. Well, it's low.
What is that one?
I don't know, it just says low.
Righty-tighty.
So grab a couple of those towels when he's pouring that, and he tilts it back up, just wipe it down because that stuff's like molasses, it'll get all over the place. Don't touch the bucket. There you go. Okay. Yeah. It's going to take about 7 hours to fully cure. They're going to leave it in overnight. Start early. Have your liner prepped the night before, throw it in the next morning.